In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp agent for free that is connected to your Claude account. To get started, you can create a free account on noclick.com, and when you do, you will see this page. If you don't, you can click on workflows and click on new workflow, but I already have a workflow. The next step is to add an AI agent. For this video, I'm going to add Claude Code, but you can also search for Hermes or Codex by OpenAI, or OpenClaw, OpenCode, and Claude Code. Once you're happy with the agent you want to hook up, you can simply drag it and drop it into the canvas. Now the next step is to configure WhatsApp as a trigger so we can receive messages, and as a tool so that we can send messages. To do that, we will have to configure the agent node, and for that I'm going to drag and expand the flow helper view to full screen. Here you can see there is an add trigger button, and when I click on it, it opens this pop-up that has 150 different integrations. Since I want WhatsApp, I'm going to search for WhatsApp and then select receive message because we want to receive messages. And this is going to show me a QR code that I have to scan using my phone. So on WhatsApp on your phone, you can click on settings, click on link devices, click on link a device, and this is going to let you scan a QR code that is being shown here. So it's loading now and it's going to take a few seconds, so we can just wait for it to get connected. And you can see it's been hooked up properly. The next step is to also add WhatsApp as a tool so that the agent can receive messages, but it can also send messages. And there's a separate button for that called Add Tool, which opens the same pop-up where I'll search for WhatsApp. And over here, I've already connected, so I won't connect again. I'll simply scroll down and select some tools, and I'll just check send text message, send image, video, document, location, audio. You can select any of the tools that you want. And this should be enough. That's all we have to do. I'm also going to lay it out properly, and the next step is just to test it. Actually, there is one thing remaining. You can see that the agent node actually has a yellow exclamation mark, which means we haven't filled out everything yet. So I'm going to click on the agent node and expand the flow helper view. And you can see that it is asking me for credentials and for me to fill out a message. I click on credentials, and you can see here you can connect Claude Code using an Anthropic API key, or you can connect it directly to your account. I'm going to connect it directly to my account for this demo. And we can just copy this code, go back to NoClick, paste it, confirm the token, and that's all we need to do for the credential. Now, all we have to do is fill out the message, and for the message, I'm just going to tell it to, and that's all we need to do. Now I can just close this. Everything looks good, and we can test it out by sending a message. So I've typed out a message, and I'm just going to send it. And it's going to take a few seconds, and the workflow is just about to get started. There we go. You can see Claude Code is now running, and it has started up a new sandbox. And I just got a response, and we should be seeing that in the UI as well as a pop-up. There we go. You can see the agent actually made a tool call where it said, hey, doing well, thanks for asking, how about you? And I got the same message. So everything is properly working. If you wanted to add more tools to Claude Code, you could do the same thing we did for WhatsApp by clicking on the node and adding more tools and selecting any across the 150 integrations we have. And that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, feel free to join our community and ask a question in the support channel. If not, hope you have fun, good day, and good night.